Hi viewers, welcome to World of CNC. This is the profile for milling operation. In this we have three curvatures. So this is having 40 mm radius, and this one is 20 mm radius, and this one is 30 mm radius. In between we have a small linear interpolation. First we need to create the profile in the first quadrant, and then by using mirroring commands we can create the profile in all four quadrants. So inside we have one pocketing also. This is having 80 mm diameter. The blank size will be 260 by 200 by 20 mm. Suppose we are doing any facing operation, 21 mm will be there. So this is the final product. So by using Mastercam software, first we need to create the sketch by using these coordinate points. So these are all the coordinate points for creating the profile in the first quadrant. So 120, 0 is there, and next one is 80, 40, and this one is 60, 60, 30, 60, and this is 0, 90. Now we will see in the software. We will create the profile, setting the unit as metric and pressing F9. We are getting four quadrants. No need to select a planes option. Directly go to rectangle option, select a rectangle, and anchor to center to be selected. Click at center, draw a rough rectangle and enter the value as 260 by 200. Enter. Now that the profile is not visible, go to fit to screen option and then press apply icon. Give it OK. Now go to circle option, select create arc endpoints. Now we need to enter the coordinate values for creating the arcs. So first one is 120, 0, and the second point will be 80, 40. The radius will be 40. Now we need to click on the particular arc and then go to apply icon. So once again we need to create one more arc. So click at the end point. The second point will be 60, 60, 60, 60. Radius will be 20 mm. Now we need to click on the arc and then go to apply icon and give it OK. Next we need to create a small linear interpolation. For that, go to line command, click at the end point. Now the next point to be entered here, so that is 30, 60. Simply enter the coordinate value 30, 60. We are getting linear interpolation, and go to apply icon and once again go to arc selection and click at the end point. Now we need to enter the next point. So that is 0, 90, 0, 90. So enter the radius as 30. Here click on the particular arc. We are getting the profile. So this is the profile. See, after that we have to select a mirroring command. By selecting mirroring command, we will get the profile in all four quadrants. Go to, before that, better to draw a line on x-axis and y-axis. So through which axis we are going to mirror, that is very important. Go to X form, select the mirroring option and click on the profile and go to end selection. So where we are going to reflect this spot. So first we will reflect in second quadrant. For that we need to select X direction and go to apply icon, right click, go to clear colors. The color will be changing, and once again go to X form, go to mirroring command click on the profile, select it completely and go to end selection. Now we need to get the profile in third and fourth quadrant. For that we can select the Y option and go to apply icon, go to end selection once again, give it OK and right click and clear colors. Now we are getting the profile in all four quadrants. Next we are going to select the machine type. Before that press Alt plus O. We will get Operation Manager window page. Go to machine type, go to mill default. Now we are getting machine group 1. Go to properties, click on that. Page wise, one by one we need to select output machine name to NC and go to tool settings. So this is nothing but a program number. This is for arranging the tool numbers and this one is for calculating the heights and this is for different arcs. The spindle speed will be varying automatically and this is stock setup. Better to select all entities. Directly we will get X and Y value. Now we need to input that height only 21 mm, 1 mm for phasing and give it OK. Now we are getting the blank. Now we are going to select the tool paths. Go to tool path. First one is a phasing operation. Enter the operation name and give it OK. Click on the outer boundary and go to tool selection. Go to filter. So if this is nothing but face mill cutter equal to 50 mm diameter. Go to library. Directly we can pick the tool, give it OK and go to cut parameters. Better to select a zigzag option, both the direction the material will be removing. Go to depth of cut. So 1 mm to be removed. If we give 0.5, 2 passes will be there. Go keep tool down and go to linking parameters, make all absolute first. Now this parameter, say now the top of stock will be 1 and it is 0. Say after phasing operation is over, the top of stock will become 0 and this will be the negative value minus 10. So whatever may be the depth. So leave as it is 1 and 0. Phasing operation has been completed. Now go to tool path, select a contour. Now click on the profile. It is moving in the anti-clockwise direction. You just keep it in mind and go to tool selection. Go to filter. Now we need to select a end mill cutter for this process, contour milling equal to 10 mm or 15 mm also we can. So whatever may be the tool. So suppose we are selecting minimum size, the multi passes, number of passes will be more. Now we can select 10 mm and give it OK. Go to library, directly pick the tool and go to cut parameters, change it to right and go to depth of cut 0.5. Keep tool down, multi passes, just to give it 14. So 14 times the tool will be rotating around the profile. Go to linking parameters. Now this will become 0 and this will become minus value minus 10. This is total depth. Now we can see the profile completely. It is covering. Remove the lines and go to tool path. The last one is a pocketing option. See, for there is no circle here, better to create one circle. Just click at center, enter the radius as 40. So this is for pocketing option. Apply icon and now we can remove these two lines. No need. Put it in isometric view and go to tool path. Go to pocketing option, click on that circle and go to tool selection. The same tool we can select a 10 mm cutter, end mill cutter. Go to cut parameters. The cut parameters are roughing and the entry motion to be selected. Parallel, spiral, clean corners to be selected. Entry motion as helix and go to depth of cut. So every time 0.5, the tool is going down. Keep tool down to be selected. Go to linking parameters, and this will become 0 and this will become -10. So as per the drawing, and give it OK. So pocketing is completed. Now we need to select all the operations. So for that, select the first tick mark and regenerate and verify and do simulation. Now it is rotating and removing 0.5 mm, 0.5 mm material. For each and every cut, 14 passes are there. Just rotate the profile. Now we can see. Almost the outer profile is okay. So this is pocketing. This is the final product. Suppose we want to see the tool holder, go back and select this icon and start. So we will get the tool holder also. Immediately we want to see the product, means just click here and click one. Now we can see the full view. See, if it is not visible, the profile is not visible, simply we can omit the facing operation. You just click these two only and regenerate. So this is the final product. So after that we can generate the codings by clicking G1 as usual. Okay, just keep on watching the video, kindly support it, and the next slide we will see one more profile for milling operation. Thank you all.